Tired of your email marketing feeling like a tangled mess? Let's streamline your lead generation by connecting GetResponse to your WordPress website. First, log into your WordPress dashboard on the left-hand menu. Hover over Plugins and click on Add New. In the search bar, type GetResponse integration. Look for the official GetResponse plugin, usually developed by GetResponse. Once you've found the plugin, click the Install Now button, and then activate it. After activating, you'll typically see a GetResponse option appear in your WordPress menu. Click on it to access the plugin settings. Now, you'll need to connect your GetResponse account. The plugin will ask for your GetResponse API key. To find this, log into your GetResponse account. Inside GetResponse, navigate to Menu, then Integrations and API. Click on the API tab, and then you can generate your API key or copy your existing one. Copy the API key from GetResponse, return to your WordPress GetResponse plugin settings, and paste the key into the designated field. Save the changes. The plugin should now be connected to your GetResponse account. You can now create GetResponse forms directly within WordPress, add contacts to specific lists, and automate your email marketing efforts. Start capturing those leads and building your audience.